The day has come. The DAF is going to the Fabricator. Got Nissan on back. Hey. Right, let's go. Morning YouTubers, Greg here again at GDB Recovery in Stafford in the Midlands, UK. Today is the day, it's the 28th of June. Just want to start by saying thanks for all the recent likes and new subscribers to the channel. It is jumping absolutely rapido. Currently off to the Fabricators, Lakeside Fabrication just outside of Stafford, to take the DAF 18 ton in to get the bed removed. And they're going to start fabricating the new one up pretty damn quick because they've got all the parts in stock. Bit like being a site manager, to be honest. You're there checking all your bits and pieces, making sure everything's coming in and whatnot. So yeah, everything is on schedule at the moment. So yeah, she's going in, she's getting the old bed took off. Once the bed's off, he's going to ring me, and then I'm going to take it up to Stoke-on-Trent to a company that I use to spray the vehicles, which I call Truck Spray in Fenton. They do an extremely good job. Always been happy every single time I've been there. So a couple of days once the bed's off, I'll be going straight up to Stoke, to the body shop. They're going to get the cab sprayed, the IAB sprayed, and the chassis sprayed as well. And then once that's done and painted, I'm hoping I can drive up in that white Ford Transit jumbo van that I just purchased, and I can take that up to Stoke to get that sprayed whilst I'm picking up the DAF to drive it back to the Fabricators to get the new bed put on. So yeah, very good. And then the last part of the stage, we'll be getting all the beacons done, the LEDs, all of that. There's no point doing it now because we're going to probably take certain parts off to get it, obviously the bed put on, and then obviously for the respray. So what's the point in doing it all first? So we'll do that bit last. Better till last, yeah? I know a lot of you love the LEDs, beacons, flashes, you're mad for it. Yeah, that's it for now. I'm 4 miles away from taking her in. Bit of a sad day, but also very exciting. And it's my birthday at the end of the month on June the 30th, so like I couldn't ask for a better birthday present for this all to be done. So absolutely buzzing. Anyway, next part of this clip, I will be at the Fabricators and I will do a quick walk around of the vehicles. You can get it in your memory bank of what it looks like before, and then to see what it looks like after. Right, speak to you shortly. Over and out. We are nearly arriving on scene at Lakeside Fabrications, just outside of Stafford. Very exciting times to come. I'll go up the top end. Oh, right. This is it. She's here. Oh yeah, we're not going to show you the cab for this one, are we? It's all about the bed and the body. So yeah, that's the old bed. The ramps, it's going to have some new ramps on, which apparently will drop down and lift back up, which is a good feature to have. Obviously I am debating, might have a little side flasher somewhere on the bed, obviously at the very end of the process. The bed will come approximately 1 foot further out, and I'm thinking to have a bit of a scoop on it. And yeah, it's going to have the new wear underneath, but as you can see, it's pretty tatty, pretty horrible. And obviously going to have a new mount to put the traffic cones on, and it'll obviously have a new tow bar on as well. Don't really know. Oh yeah, and also going to have a flyer somewhere on here that will go up, and then put some beacons on the back. And then obviously I'm going to make them to make a new mount for a new spreader bar that I've ordered from Germany. And then what I'm going to do to finish it off, I'm going to order a new winch when I get back, and then that can be fitted as well. that's it, she's gone. She's dropped off. I feel like I got a bit missing out of my heart. Yeah, she's now at the Fabricators. So when the bed's off, I'll be straight back, straight up to the body shop and get this thing painted. So yeah, well happy. This is part one. This is officially part one of the DAF restoration. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and make sure the fucking bell notification's on. Other than that, yeah, stay tuned for part two.